If you want to block YouTube on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what you can do is we can go to Settings. On the left side, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now over here, we should be able to find App Timers, and you want to tap on the App Timers text in order to proceed further. And once we can create the timer, we can set up the name. So I'm gonna just type YouTube as an example. This is of course we can set up any name over here, it doesn't really matter. And now over here we have the selected items. We can tap to select items, and of course we need to find YouTube over here. So select YouTube and press done. Now over here we need to press add schedule, and you want the timer to be set to 00. And also you can choose every day of the week if you want to completely block the access to the app, and we can press save. Now if we try to open the YouTube app, you will get this message that the app timer ran out. And furthermore, what you can also do is in Digital Wellbeing Settings, we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and open Settings. And now over here we can create a pin code to these settings. So whenever you are trying to add, edit, and delete app timers and content restrictions, you will have to enter the password that you set up over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.